Doctors and nurses are on the front lines caring for COVID-19 patients. Midland Memorial Hospital does not have any employees with the virus, but they have had a few dozen employees exposed. NewsWest 9's Sammy Steele has this story.
Good evening, Tatum. With more and more people catching COVID-19, no one knows how dangerous the virus is like those working in healthcare. In fact, medical professionals, they are 3 times more likely to catch COVID-19 than the general public.
A total of 61 employees who either have had an exposure outside of work or at work. 11 of those 61 are self-isolating at home.
No Midland Memorial Hospital employees have walked away from the job. If anything, they've stepped up to hold the front line.
Currently, we don't have anyone who's walking off the job. We do have folks that are concerned, and we've made reasonable accommodations for them to be able to practice still, either reallocating them to a different source, putting them on a different floor, putting them with different labor pool, or giving them some options to help them feel more comfortable.
One of those employees who's been relocated is Allison Tompkins. She's been a nurse at the hospital for 23 years.
So in healthcare, there is no normal, and you have to be flexible and ready for anything. And that's why we're there. Is it's a calling to become a nurse.
She's also a breast cancer survivor. She beat the disease 3 years ago.
Open my eyes and to how patients are feeling when they're diagnosed with something like that. They're fearful and they have a lot of questions.
Tompkins normally works in the preoperative assessment center, but since the hospital's canceled all elective surgeries until further notice, she's now working for the 6-8 nurse hotline, screening patients for COVID-19. Working the hotline allows her to help patients without being exposed.
But it's really important, and we've said this from the beginning, as has the CDC, that we keep our healthcare workforce on the job. We want to take good care of them and give them opportunities to take care of themselves and be well protected.
For Midland Memorial Hospital, protecting its employees from COVID-19 is the first step in protecting the rest of the public from the pandemic, an effort the hospital says isn't going anywhere. Reporting from my home studio, Sammy Steele, NewsWest 9.
Sammy, thank you. Medical Center Hospital in Odessa has not had any staff leave the job because of COVID-19 fears. They do have a few employees who are under watch and may have been exposed to the virus, but they are not exhibiting any symptoms at this time. MCH says that they are also rearranging staff so that they are working in areas that they are comfortable in. Tomorrow night, Dana Morris will share exactly what the hospital is doing on the front line there.